Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use time jumpers in Cookie Run Kingdom. These handy items are designed to save you precious time by instantly completing battles you've already conquered. Imagine getting all your rewards, like valuable skill powders and toppings, without having to manually fight through a stage again. It's a fantastic way to streamline your resource gathering, but remember, the stage must have earned 3 stars, and you'll still need enough stamina jellies to use them. To begin using time jumpers, you first need to unlock them by successfully clearing Stage 4-1 in World Exploration. Once unlocked, you can consistently obtain them through balloon expeditions, with better rewards from Episode 8 and higher. You can also buy 3 time jumpers for 300 Rainbow Pearls in the Rainbow Pearl Gallery, which restocks every 2 days. Keep an eye out for special in-game events and coupon codes, as these often provide additional jumpers. Time jumpers are incredibly versatile and can be used in several game modes. They are perfect for world exploration, both story and dark modes, provided you've achieved a 3-star clear on the stage. You can also use them to instantly finish daily bounties, Tower of Sweet Chaos missions, and even those lengthy tropical Soda Island stages. While you can use 5 time jumpers to skip a Cookie Alliance run, be aware that skipping will not grant you additional jumpers as rewards. To get the most out of your time jumpers, focus on using them for stages that consistently drop the resources you need most, such as skill powders or specific toppings. They are best reserved for game modes that are particularly tedious or take a long time to complete manually. For instance, consider playing Cookie Alliance manually to earn more time jumpers. While they are available in the Arena Medal Shop, remember that medals are a precious resource, so weigh your purchases carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.